In this video, I'm going to show you how to record and mix a harmony vocal track using Audacity software. Audacity is a free recording software with many helpful features for the amateur or professional recording artist. All recordings were made using an Aston Origin microphone and a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 mixing unit. As we look at the screen, you can see there are already 3 tracks recorded. The first is a guitar track, the second is the verse 1 vocals, titled V1 Vox, and the third is the chorus 1 lead vocals, titled C1 Lead Vox. It is very helpful to title your tracks in a multi-track recording in order to quickly reference them later for mixing. At the moment, all tracks are set in the center of the mix, but we will be adding some panning techniques as we record our harmony vocal. So let's get started. First, let's listen to what has been recorded so far. By clicking the purple Skip to Start button, you can ensure your recording will begin playing at the beginning. This track is titled The Last Leaves. Press the green play button to begin playback. Might take a run up the Blue Ridge Parkway, what do you say? You wanna get away with me? We could go fast or we could go slow, don't really care. As long as we go, let's see what we can see. Weatherman said the roads are gonna close for too long. Summer's long gone, autumn's running short, and winter's coming on. But if we leave today, we can make it before the snow. We can blow last leaves off the tree. Around the 34-second mark is the beginning of the chorus to this song. I want to add a vocal harmony to that section. In an effort to give myself a little lead-in time for recording, I'm going to start my next track around the 29-second mark. To do this, I just find that number at the top and click on any of my previous tracks at the 29-second mark. In order to record, I will hit the red button and begin singing the harmony part at the beginning of the chorus at the 34-second mark. When I hit record, a new track will populate at the bottom of the others, showing that I am now recording. Let's give it a try. What we can see. Weatherman said the roads are gonna close for too long. Summer's long gone, autumn's running short, and winter's coming on. But if we leave today, we can make it before the snow. We can blow last leaves off the tree. Before I do anything else, I am going to name this track. Let's name it C1 Harmony Vox, since these are the chorus 1 harmony vocals. When I play back my harmony, 3 major issues will be immediately noticeable, and it is these issues which we will address in the remainder of this tutorial. To be clear, there are many ways to adjust vocals in Audacity software. However, for the purpose of this video, we will deal primarily with syncing, volume, and panning. Let's listen to the recording and discuss how to fix these issues. Weatherman said the roads are gonna close for too long. Summer's long gone, autumn's running short, and winter's coming on. Immediately, it is obvious that the vocals in the new track lag behind the vocals in the previous tracks. This is a result of latency and may be remedied with a faster computer or better recording equipment. For our purposes, however, there is an easy fix. Simply click the track at the point before the vocals begin, drag back approximately 1/10 of a second, and click the backspace button. This will cause the vocals to begin 1/10 of a second sooner and should give us proper synchronicity between the harmony and vocal track. Let's see if it worked. Weatherman said the roads are gonna close for too long. Summer's long gone, autumn's running short, and winter's coming on. The next issue you may notice is that the volume on the harmony track is far lower than the volume on the lead vocal track. In order to bring up the volume on the harmony track, move your cursor to the left side of the harmony track. There is a bar with a minus symbol and plus symbol flanking it. This is a volume adjuster. We can adjust the overall gain of the harmony track until it is at a level we like. Let's try increasing the gain by 10 decibels to bring the track more in line with the lead vocals. Let's see how this sounds. Weatherman said the roads are gonna close for too long. Summer's long gone, autumn's running short, and winter's coming on. But if we leave today, we can make it before the snow. We can blow last leaves off the tree. Part of creating a nice full sound in recording is panning different instruments and vocal parts. When each track is set in the dead center of the mix, the effect can be a muddy sound devoid of dynamics. By moving the harmony track over to the right by 30%, we can create a more distinct and full sound. In order to do this, click on the toggle bar with the L and R flanking its sides. Adjust the slider to the right until it reads 30%. Let's see how this sounds. Weatherman said the roads are gonna close for too long. Summer's long gone, autumn's running short, and winter's coming on. But if we leave today, we can make it before the snow. We can blow last leaves off the tree. These are just the beginning steps of adding multi-track elements in Audacity. However, when paired with additional techniques, these steps can help get you on your way to high-quality recordings. Thank you for watching.